Take my hand. Take my hand. The sky was fading into gray. I never thought I'd lose my way. A quiet voice called out my name. Nothing has ever felt the same. I took one step, then one more breath. No turning back, no fear, no regret. Even when the silence grew, something pulled me through. Maybe the stars still shine above, hidden behind the clouds enough. If hope is waiting out of sight, I'll keep walking into the night. I won't let go, even when the cold winds blow. Step by step, light by light, I'll keep chasing what feels right. If tomorrow hides the truth, if the sky forgets its blue, I'll still find my way to you, into the night. Every scar became a sign, every loss redrew the line. Now I know the darkest days never stole my heart away. I can hear the morning call long before the sunrise falls. Every heartbeat feels alive, keeping me in time.